Welcome to a new workout. So our music today is 115 beats per minute. It is a little bit slower than a lot of my other workouts, and you will find this in the gentle level playlist. Our moves are 20 seconds, and then we'll switch to the next move. I'll give minimal instruction just to let you know what we're doing next. This is a great walk for lowering your blood pressure, your blood sugar, for using in the morning to wake up or using in the evening to wind down. However you use it, I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to change the speed, you can go to the YouTube settings and increase the speed so it will go a little bit faster. So let's get started with the walk. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. And then bring the arms up overhead, nice deep breath in and breathing out and continuing with that move. And tapping forward and just bring a hand in front. And going back into a walk, let's just bring the elbows back. So stretching through the shoulders. And going in the other direction with the arms. Relaxing the arms, tapping out to the side, and just bring the arms across. And walking it out, bringing one arm up and then the other side. And nice deep breath. Relaxing the arms, let's tap back and press the hands back. And going into a walk. So we'll take a step out, out, in. Ready? And going back into that walk. Let's bring the arms in front and elbows back. And relax the arms, tapping in front, bring the arms up to the side. Relaxing the arms, let's just do a step touch. And this time go across 2 steps. time. And then just going into a walk. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. And we're going to take a step out and the arm goes up. And back into a walk. And then taking 2 steps out or 2 taps out. Last time. And walking and pressing the arms up. And going into our V step. Last one. Walking it out. And let's just press the arms back. And going into a heel dig. And this time tapping back again. Let's bring both arms up. And walking it out. Again, nice deep breath in and breathing out. And we'll go into that ham curl. So bringing a foot back, here we go. And with the hands, let's bring them back for a tricep press or tricep kickback. And going into that step touch. And a bicep curl. And we're going to go into a grapevine. Ready? And finishing there with a walk. And let's bring the arms up halfway, down and in front. And tapping in front again. Opposite hand to the foot. and walking it out. And we'll go wide, wide, narrow, narrow. Last one. This time back, back, front, front. And just going into a walk. Let's bring those arms up and then pull them down. And then just going into a kick. If that's uncomfortable with your knees, just tap your toes instead. And walking it out. Let's come forward and going back. Last time. And then going into that step touch again. Arms across. This time moving into 2 steps. And walking it out. And we'll go into that heel dig. And walking it out again, let's go back and forward. And just walking, let's bring the arms in big circles. So stretch them out. Back into that step touch. Let's bring one arm back or one shoulder back. And going into a walk, and let's do a bicep curl. So we are almost done. Step forward and back.
And just walking it out, nice deep breath in, arms overhead and out. Last one. And that is it for today. So I'll add some stretching routines on the end. So if you wish to finish with some stretching, which would be a great thing to do, especially if you're doing this in the evening, you'll have those there. Thanks for joining me and wishing you a great day. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button to let me know that you enjoyed the video and that you'd like to see more, and write a comment if you have the time. Thanks so much, everyone.